Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You're checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Wacky Wednesday night, y'all. And so I'm out here with something wacky. This is an off-brand called RC Leading. And other than that, I don't know what exactly this model is, but it is by a company called RC Leading. They made a few hexacopters. I have more than one hexacopter from this same company, but I think they're on different protocols. I never thought to check that, but anyhow, this is the transmitter here. It's not deviated, so no known protocol or anything. So maybe I will try to fly that other hexacopter with this transmitter, because just because this is a nicer transmitter than the one that came with the other one. But anyhow, I thought I'd bring this thing out for a night flight. It does have lights on the bottom. The lights are, I think, orange in the rear and maybe blue in the front. But anyhow, let's get this guy up in the air, check it out. It does have a power switch on it. So it's green in the rear and white in the front. We're just going straight to high rates on it. If I can remember how to go to the rates. Oh, I think I put it in headless mode. Let's see. I gotta figure out how to go into the different rates with it. I know this button down here turns on and off the lights. Okay. Okay, that's the rates there when you press it down. So the same button for the rates, which is the trim button, looks like it does something for the lights and the rates. Bring it in close. Check it out. Pretty slow yaw on it, but pretty decent pitch though. One of the few drones that isn't really bothered by the interference in this area here. Dives pretty quick. I wish the yaw was a little faster. I could get some nice funnels going with it. As of now, it only does wide funnels. Try to bring it down a little. Not bad, right? For some reason, when it's turning, it gives a little more pitch. So you can really pick up some speed when you change directions and dive. The only thing is the yaw, man. Let's try a flip with it. So can't really do no forward moving flips. It kind of do cheetah flips. It gives throttle before it does the flips. Bring it in close, do some flips here up close. Flips in all directions. Forward flip, backwards flip. Check it out, I got some eyes on this guy. I don't know if you guys can see that. Looks like a little starfish. I was thinking about modding this guy. Maybe putting the MJX X800 brain inside this guy. That way I can fly it with deviation. Get out. It was starting to feel a little weak. Now it's flashing with an LVC and it's going down. RC leading Hex. Wacky Wednesday. Thanks for watching.